North Central Randolph County in northeastern County in northeastern West Virginia until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:23 p.m.
So my 300, the 991, and the San June went off.
Moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkins, Beelington, Junior, Walmelthorpe, Colton, Montrose, Cairns, and Bowden. This includes Route 33 between mile markers 31 and 35. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central Randolph, Taylor, Barber, and northeastern Harrison counties. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeport, or 8 miles southwest of Grafton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. State Park. Extended for Hill, Volga, Rose. For your protection.
Okay, so that's going to stay on channel 3. This, can I move this to one of my HHs? Or that one's. Why are you dead?
Universe. Universe. Notification available. Access. Swipe down with 4 fingers.
No, but getting something on channel 2. Or maybe these.
WV. Severe thunderstorm warning, including WV, Elkins, WV, and Junior, WV, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
84 in Charleston, 86 degrees with 2.8.
I am about RLX. RLX Tuesday forecast discussion. AFT. At September 24th, 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Saturday/p. Table 2024.
Woo!